Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Please subscribe, share and like channel. Quick and easy morning skincare routine. Moisturizer. Use a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without feeling greasy. Cleanser. Use a mild, hydrating cleanser to cleanse your face in the morning. Avoid harsh or stripping products. Serum. Apply a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to boost skin moisture. Sunscreen. Always apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from UV damage. These tips can help you to establish a quick and effective morning skincare routine that promotes healthy and radiant skin. Hope you like these tips. Kindly subscribe, like and share the channel.